A root is the core part of a word that carries its basic meaning. Most English roots come from Latin and Greek, and when you add prefixes or suffixes, you create new words based on that core idea. For example, vid or vis is a root that means to see. Three words that derive from this root are video, visual, and invisible. Let's go to the whiteboard and explore some more roots that will instantly improve your English vocabulary. So just by looking at the root hydra in all these three words, you know that these words have something to do with water. Okay, so hydrate is to absorb water or to make something absorb water. And hydroelectric describes electricity generation using the force of water. So hydrophobia is the fear of water. Spect, it means see or look. Okay, so for example, so some examples of words using this root. Spectator, so someone who spectates or someone who is watching an event, a sports event for example, is a spectator. And spectacle, what is a spectacle? It's a visually striking performance or a show, something that you would enjoy watching. Okay, so that's a spectacle. And retrospect. Retrospect, this word is used in the phrase in retrospect. It means looking back. When you are looking back on a past event and reflecting or thinking about it, that's when you use the phrase in retrospect. In retrospect, for example, in retrospect, I should not have done that. If you are familiar with this root, it enables you to work out the meanings of these words. Even if these words were totally new to you, you would somehow be able to know at least part of what they mean. Okay, the next one, struct. So this root means to build or to put something together. Okay, for example, infrastructure, construct. I assume we are already familiar with these words, so I'm not providing any definitions here. The next root here is chrono. It means time. So, for example, chronology, synchronize, and chronic. So chronology is the sequence of events. To synchronize means to happen at the same time or to make two actions happen at the same time. Chronic means an illness or a problem that continues for a long time. Okay, so as you can see, all these words have something to do with time. This time. Dict means to say or speak. So examples would be, these are just examples. There may be many more words in the dictionary. Oh, by the way, dictionary is an example itself. Dictionary. And we also have dictate. We all know what a dictionary is, and to dictate, or we can even say dictation. Dictate is when you say some words and somebody else is writing them down. Next we have odd, A-U-D, odd. This means to hear, something to do with hearing, okay? Audible, audience, auditory. So this means related to the sense of hearing. Next we have rupt. This means to, this root means to break or breach. A rupture is when something suddenly breaks apart or bursts. To To interrupt means to break in. Okay, so you're breaking the flow of something, either a conversation or some other activity. So you're breaking the flow of an activity. To interrupt. A synonym would be to break in or to butt in. Corrupt means, you know, breaking the code of moral conduct. Okay, so that's something bad. So all these words have something to do with breaking or breaching. Okay, next we have scrib, which means to write. So we can say inscribe means to write something, for example on a stone or on a hard surface. Inscribe, scribble, manuscript. A manuscript is a piece of writing before it is printed. Ject means to throw. Projection. Is this video getting too long? Then we have phon, which means sound. So we have, phonetics, the study of speech sounds. Telephone. So with your knowledge of the root phon, you can guess the meanings of these words, at least part of the meaning. Terra is land or earth. Terrain is a specific type of land. Territory is an area of land that belongs to a particular authority. And subterranean means underground, okay, beneath the surface of the land. Then we have finally another root, which is auto. It means self, so we can say autobiography is if you write a book about your own life, that's an autobiography. Autopilot is when a car, for example, can drive itself. That's on autopilot. There are some cars in this day and age that you can use on autopilot. Automobile is a car.